Have you ever wondered about the ethereal companions that whisper wisdom in the ears of the witches? Who are these spirit guides and what role do they play in witchcraft? In the world of witchcraft, spirit guides act as mediators between the physical and spiritual realm. They provide guidance, protection, and insight to those who seek it. But how does one reach out and establish contact with these spiritual entities? The journey to connect with your spirit guide begins with a clear intention. It's essential to define why you wish to connect with your spirit guide. Do you seek wisdom, protection, or simply companionship? Be clear about your intentions, for they will guide your journey. Next, find a quiet space where you can focus without disturbance. Here you'll create a sacred space, a conduit for spiritual communication. Light a candle, burn some incense, or arrange crystals in a way that resonates with you. Once your sacred space is ready, it's time to relax your mind and body. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and allow your consciousness to drift into a meditative state. In this tranquil state, visualize a door. This door is the gateway to the spiritual realm, the bridge to your spirit guide. Open the door and step through with an open heart and mind. Now call out to your spirit guide, express your intention to connect. Be patient and open to their response. It may come as a feeling, a thought, or maybe even a vision. Trust in the process and in your intuition. Once you've made contact, express your gratitude. Thank your spirit guide for their presence and for the wisdom they'll share with you. Remember, this is a relationship of mutual respect and gratitude. To conclude your session, slowly bring your consciousness back to the physical world. Open your eyes and take a moment to process your experience. Write down any messages or insights you received. These will serve as valuable reminders of your spiritual journey. In summary, contacting your spirit guides involves setting a clear intention, creating a sacred space, entering a meditative state, visualizing a door to the spiritual realm, calling out to your spirit guide, expressing gratitude, and finally returning to the physical world. Remember, this is a journey of exploration and self-discovery. There's no right or wrong way to connect with your spirit guide. It's a deeply personal experience that will evolve as you do. So go forth with an open heart and mind and let the wisdom of the spirit guides illuminate your path.